10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Action!
This is a W.F.&J. Barnes number 13 lathe. It's 13 inches swing, 72 inches or 6 feet between centers, overall length of 8 feet, completely been stripped and rebuilt. It is running a 3-speed car transmission that was on the machine when I got it. I haven't changed the driveline on it. It does vibrate a fair bit. It's up on blocks right now, just wood blocks. It's not sitting down level or straight. The drive belt off the motor also needs to be replaced. It's twisted and rolling over on itself, causing some of the vibration, as well as one of the pulleys has a little bit of wobble to it. But it does work. Just been playing around with it to show that it cuts. Feeding it manually. It does have power feed, both longitudinal and power cross feed. I don't have the gears on the headstock engaged at this time. It's a change gear setup. The drivetrain runs quieter than I would have thought with the transmission. I expected to hear a lot more gear noise. And it cuts rather nice, actually. For being over 100 years old, it's not too bad. Alright, thanks for watching.